If you're trying to find winning products to sell online, whether you're doing dropshipping, e-commerce, or building your own brand, you already know that product research is everything. And today we're comparing two of the most popular tools in the game, Koala Inspector and Minea. Both tools help to uncover trending products, spy on successful stores, and make smarter decisions so you're not just guessing what to sell, but they definitely work very differently. And depending on what you're looking for, one might fit your workflow better than the other. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what each tool is, what the standout features are, talk through the pros and cons, and help you figure out which one's worth using for your business. Let's get into it. Okay, so first off, what is Koala Inspector? So first off, let's start out with Koala Inspector. If you've ever looked at your competitor's Shopify store and wondered how they're getting sales or what products are working for them, Koala Inspector gives you that inside look. It's a browser extension that lets you quote unquote spy on other Shopify stores with just one click. You can see what apps they're using, which products are best sellers, and how often they add new items, and even where their traffic might be coming from. It's super straightforward and great if you're focused on competitor research and want to know what's working in real time. Now, on the flip side, we have Minea, which takes a slightly different approach. Minea is more focused on ad spy tools. It's designed to show you what products are trending based on advertising performance, especially on platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and Snapchat. So instead of looking at stores directly, you're seeing the actual ads that brands are running and how they're performing. You can filter by engagement, niche, region, and ad type, you name it. It's built for people who want to find viral products and reverse engineer ad strategies that are already working. If Koala is like peeking into a store's back end, Minea is like sitting in the control room of their ad campaigns. Now let's go over some of the key features of Koala Inspector. One of the best things about Koala Inspector is how quick and clean it is. Once you install the Chrome extension, you can visit any Shopify store and instantly get access to a treasure chest of insights. One standout feature is the product reveal tool. It literally shows you all the products that stores are selling, even if they're buried across different collections. You'll see titles, images, prices, and when each product was added. This helps you figure out what's new, what might be trending, or what products are sticking around because they're selling well. Another powerful feature is the best-selling products tab. This shows you exactly which items are marked as bestsellers in the Shopify backend. Shopify automatically tags certain products based on performance, and Koala Inspector exposes that. So if you're browsing a competitor's site, you're not just guessing what might be working, you're seeing what's actually converting. Then there's the store performance history. This feature shows you how the store has evolved over time, how many products have been added, if the store is growing, and when those changes happened. It's great for tracking trends and seeing if a competitor is actively scaling or slowing down. You can also view traffic source estimates. This includes where their visitors might be coming from, like direct traffic search or social. While it's not 100% precise, it gives you a good sense of where their marketing efforts are focused. And definitely don't sleep on the apps and themes section. This lets you see what third-party apps they've installed. So whether it's for reviews, upsells, countdown timers, or email pop-ups, you can completely reverse engineer someone's tech stack and decide which tools to try for your own store. And for anyone who wants to monitor a store long-term, there's a store tracking feature. So you can follow specific shops and get alerts when they make updates like adding new products or switching themes. So if you have a competitor that's always testing stuff, you'll know about it before everyone else does. Now, let's dig deeper into Minea because this one's a whole different beast, but in a good way. At the core of Minea is the ad spy engine. This lets you search through millions of ads running on platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, and more. But what makes it next level is how advanced these filters are. You can drill down by engagement like likes, comments, shares, region, product category, ad format, video versus image, call to action, and even the date the ad first ran. Let's just say you want to find trending baby products in the US with over 10,000 views on TikTok. Minea will find those for you in seconds, and you'll be able to see the exact creative process they're using, plus the landing page it links to. Another super useful feature is the advertiser profile view. Once you find a store running a good ad, you can click to see all the other ads they're running. This just helps you figure out if they're testing multiple offers, scaling a winning product, or even running a full funnel strategy. You're not just seeing one ad, you're seeing their entire playbook. There's also the product analysis dashboard, which highlights top performing products across different categories based on ad activity. So if you don't even know where to start, you can just start browsing trending picks and filter by industry like home decor, fashion, fitness, whatever it may be. Then there's the influencer marketing section, a feature Koala doesn't have. Minea tracks brands that are using influencers to push products and shows you the creator posts, engagement, and what kind of product was promoted. If you're planning to use UGC and want to hire TikTok creators, this data helps you figure out what content converts. Another underrated feature is the competitor monitoring tool. If you have a few brands you want to keep tabs on, you can add them to your watch list and get updates on their ads and product pushes. Kind of like the store tracking in Koala, but for ads. And finally, Minea has a Chrome extension too, so if you're scrolling social media and you see an ad that catches your eye, you can instantly save it to Minea, analyze it, and keep it in your swipe file for later. Now that you understand what each of them does and some of the highlighted key features, let's take a look at the different plans and pricing options. If you want to make sure you're getting the best price possible, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description and you can just go ahead and add to Chrome right here. It's super simple. But now with the different plan options, so they do have a free version, and this is just to try it out and you kind of get some limited tools. But with this plan, you do get the shop structure, so basic insights into your store. You get product statistics, so initial performance data, and you get the newest products and best sellers, as well as you can export to CSV, and you get 10 tokens to test drive the key features. So you can go ahead and try it out completely for free. Next is the professional plan, and this is $17 a month. With this, you get everything in the free plan, but you also get 60 tokens to supercharge your workflow, and you can track up to 3 different shops. Lastly is the unlimited plan, and this is $55 a month. You get all of the professional features, but you also get unlimited tokens. You can track up to 50 shops. You get VIP level support, and it's perfect for scaling businesses ready to lead their market. So a couple different options, and you can try a 3-day free trial on all of the paid plans to see if you would like to upgrade. If not, you can just stick with the free plan. But again, make sure you're using our link in the description. Now let's take a look at Minea's different plans and pricing options. So if you want to get the best price possible, you want to make sure you are paying annually. So here you can see their starter plan is $34 a month. And with this plan, you get 10,000 credits. You get meta ads with advanced filters, unlimited tracking lists, Minea Academy, Chrome extension, 1 live coaching session per week, and 24/7 access, and even more. Next is the premium plan, and this is $69 a month, and you get all the features in the starter plan. You get 100,000 credits, TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, and more. Lastly is the business plan, and this is $299 a month. And as a reminder, this is all paid annually. The month to month does go up a little bit. With the premium, you get 150,000 credits, Shopify and TikTok products, and Success Radar, and of course, everything that's in the starter and premium plans. So if you want to get started with the free trial, you can just click get free trial and you're good to go. Now let's go over some of the pros and cons, starting with Koala Inspector. The pros are that it's just really easy to use and it's great for Shopify research. If you want to know what your competitors are selling, how often they update their store, or which apps they're using, it gives you that in just an instant. It's perfect for beginners or even experienced store owners who like to keep an eye on what others are doing. Plus, because it's a browser extension, it's quick and doesn't require you to log into a full dashboard. But the cons, on the other hand, is it's only for Shopify Store. So if you're trying to get a big picture view of the e-commerce landscape, including ads or other platforms, Koala might feel limited. It's more of a store analysis tool than a product discovery tool. Also, it doesn't tell you if the products are actually making sales. You can guess based on best sellers, but there's no direct ad performance data. Now for Minea. The big pro is definitely how powerful it is for finding viral product and ad creatives that are actually working right now. If you're someone who wants to test ads or launch a trending product fast, this is a gold mine. The influencer marketing feature is also a really cool touch. You can spot brands that are growing through UGC or TikTok shoutouts and decide if you want to go that same route. But the cons, on the other hand, is there is a bit of a learning curve. There are a ton of filters and tools, and it can feel overwhelming if you're brand new to product research. Also, it's not always as useful if you're not running ads. So if your strategy is more organic, Koala is probably the better fit. It also doesn't show much store-specific data, so if you like spying on competitors' websites directly, you may want to pair it with something like Koala. Alright, so here's the bottom line. If you're focused on analyzing Shopify stores, tracking your competition, and finding out what apps, themes, or product strategies they're using, Koala Inspector is definitely the best bet. It's super fast, gives you just what you need, and helps you reverse engineer top stores without paying a fortune. If you're more interested in finding viral products, understanding ad trends, and tapping into what's hot across all platforms like Facebook, TikTok, then Minea is definitely the way to go. It's powerful for ad strategy, influencer research, and rapid testing. Honestly, a lot of people end up using these both together since Koala gives you the back-end insight and Minea helps you figure out which products are gaining traction through ads. It really depends on your business model. So if you're not sure yet, go ahead and try both versions for free and see which one feels the most useful. And I'll be honest, I've tried many product research tools over the years and it's really easy to get caught up in the idea that one perfect tool will do everything for you. But the truth is these tools are only powerful when you use them with intention. Don't just scroll through endless ads or spy on stores for hours. Set a timer, find something solid, test it, and get it live. Momentum is everything in business. And if this video was helpful for you to decide which tool is best for you, I'd love to know in the comments and hear from you guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And again, leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear your thoughts on this. And again, if you want to make sure you're getting the best price possible, make sure you use those links in the description. And these are affiliate links, so if you do choose to sign up through them, it does help support the channel at no extra cost to you. And if you do choose to use them, we just really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.